because I'm gonna add some of my chrome flakes. My chrome flakes will last me probably another like decades, I guess, because it has so much in there. All right, so now we are going to key it. Just key it for only like 20 seconds, 15 to 20 seconds. It really depends on your lamp, on your UV LED lamp. But I'm gonna do it like a 20 seconds. So then we give it like a dry enough, but it's not too completely like full clears, because we still want to get it shiny, but then also still a little bit of a gripping option and tacky, not tacky. I don't know how to explain it, but it's just a little clear. 30 seconds, 20 seconds. You don't want to be it's really full clear, because it's not going to grip the chromes for us. Like a full side of it. So I'm gonna move that beauty right next door, and then we're gonna do. Oh my God, there's so many chromes, and then it's such a great value of this sub box. It's only a few more days, like in 1 week. We just have 1 week before the next sub box is introduced. So I'm gonna rub it all of them. There's so many. It's just each time you need, it's just a little bit. And you see me did this one with encapsulate as well. I did this in so many different ways. You can rub it as a chrome. You can rub it as the just a flaky. I'm gonna go ahead and dab it on first, and then I'm gonna rub it. I like the look of it. It's like a greenish, but it had the ombre finish underneath. I mean, the vertical ombre. I'm gonna rub. That looks so cool, though. Anyone want to see the kit? I really don't like the kits with the super easy, simple. My goodness. This one looks good with the 3D too. Maybe we should do 3D. Should do 3D with the bows. Yes or no?
Yeah, why not? Go for it.
3D? 3D, guess what happened? It's not, we no longer have only 3 colors like a black, white, and nude. We have 10 different colors, and an option of a longer ribbon and shorter ribbon. So now let's do that then. Can I get my tray of that one? And maybe we should do this. Should do like this. Like have a grayish blue. Should we do a shorter bows? Yesterday we do longer bows. I mean, shorter ribbons and all longer ribbons. It's like, what are shorter bows and longer bows? The white one, it looks good though. But this one, it looks stunning. And maybe we can do with this one. What you think? Yeah? Okay, do it. That's only you need someone will be in cheerleaders behind, like it doesn't doing. Okay, just do it. That's it. Just confirmation. Should I do it? And said, no. Said, yeah, you should do it. All right, so I'm gonna get this some mix from the okay, let's do. And then guess what happened? Now it's so much fun and so much easier when you're using with the triple fix condensed glue gel. A lot of you also get the gift from a special promotion we're running, and we'll give it the gift if you are touching it and say so thick. Oh my God, it's so thick. Congratulations, you got it. Absolutely is one of really unique, the triple thick condensed glue gels, and it looks like you're making a taffy. Just don't add any pigment and start playing with this, because it's so satisfying, like playing with slime. But this is not. just don't get too excited and add some sprinkle in it and then start making it. It's just so satisfying, I'm telling you. Okay, so I'm gonna pick You see that how when it thick, like I say, triple thicks is like 3 or 4 times of it. It just doesn't run anywhere. I feel like when you go into the store, the candies, they're making candy. I don't know what is it called, but it looks so freaking awesome. Taffy, right?
Taffy, yeah. Like really, really thick caramel.
Ah, that's right. Look.
Or the candy you just got me from Disney.
Yeah, Taffy, I think, Mika. And then you can always need, so usually when I get about a size of, just thinking about the size of the, I'm going to show you one of a cluster right here. Get it one of the size of your 3D crystal. If you have the size of a 3D crystal of that, like that big, well, give me the triple thicks. Like this, about the size of this, you know? So it means that you get it the right size. So it's you getting your box, it won't be extra thick for 3D crystal designs. So I'm go ahead. You can do your bows right in the middle, like right in the middle here. You can do the bow on the side. You can do on the top. However you will like, just dress your bows up and however you feel like you are happy with. So I did this bows and this right here, I can move. We can just doing a different like angle look. Oh, come back. Just have a big, nice crystal. I love this so much, transcendent crystal. It's just so perfect. Here. They are too big. I don't even need my crystal picker. I can using my finger. I love it so much. And it stay on mine and it doesn't go anywhere. It's like, just be careful. Don't get this stuck in somewhere because you might pull hole inside your nails. Just sounds scary. So just kidding. It's not. So, all right. So now I place them like how it's fading each other, like you are building like triangle. And okay, so short ribbons or long ribbons?
Do long.
Long?
One long, one short.
Huh? But we already have short, long before. And then we're gonna add this one right there. And now it's a fun part. It's going to about happen. Move it, move it. It's great that you can adjusting it however you would like. Oh my god, just so stunning. And now I am go ahead and add some, like in the new bow collection is really cool because we adding it not only is beads, pearl, and also we put the matching crystal on it. You can see this one had a matching crystal right there, like the blue matching, which is I'm so excited about, and a lot of beads. Yeah, I'm gonna showing you some tip and trick. You can get the bows. Guess what happened? You have 3 different good things. You have your bows, and then you have your pearls, and then also you have your beads, and then the crystal, like 4 in 1. So I'm gonna add some of the pearls around the bows and the crystal. They are like so stunning. And I probably can put one smaller pearl right in the middle right there. You can dress however you want, and maybe I should do a bigger pearl. You can tell that I'm having so much fun right now. Look right there. And it's not going anywhere, and you can adjust, and you can turn left and turn right, you know, however you want, till you're satisfied, you're happy with this, and you are ready to cure. Push it a little bit down to make sure they are anchored into the condensed glue gels. All right, so now we are going to ready. It will flash cure. When you are curing this, make sure you cure completely full 2 minutes. under the LED UV lights, because in that way it has a completely cure through really thick condensed glue gel. So we're gonna flash cure it first for 30 seconds, but then when you're done with this, you are going to key it under LED lights, and then you're going to ask the clients or yourself, you're doing for yourself, turn it like you're going to tilt from the left to the right to make sure that is the UV rays scanned LED lights, and UV ray can get like all around the edges and go penetrate all the way to the condensed glue gel and key it completely. So if you are getting it and it's still wet and you still full movable, it means that your lamp is not getting clear complete for yours condensed glue gel yet. So you might need more, you know. So now you can leave it alone like this, or you can just add some crystal. I'm gonna just add a little bit of crystal, not much, promise. But then I'm go ahead and using the condensed glue gel, and then in this we are going to using the condensed glue gel, no wipe top coat, and precision glue gel, because I want this one to be shiny, not matte, because of the chrome flakes that I did it underneath. So let's apply the condensed glue gel. So now I'm going back with my OG regulars a condensed glue gel. It used to be a top thick, but now even we have it like thicker with triple thick. So we don't use triple thick on this one. We are going to using, you can see that I use it on this part of it right here. I'm gonna go ahead and apply on entire nails, because you know that sometimes we are going to decide to get some of the crystal around, which is like a freestyle. Or you can just like coat the top coat and you're good to go. I think it looks super adorable by itself like that. So you can get, and then we'll go follow with the no white top coat. My no white top coat is almost end, but also there are like a big size of no white top coat, super flexible top coat. You can able to get it in the bigger size now. It's such a great value for the bigger refill size. I'm gonna floating a no white top coat on the top of the condensed glue gels. Don't pull that too hard because you want them to just floating on. Oh my gosh, I love the and I'm gonna add just a couple. You know what? Can I get this one? I wanna one of the hearts in there. I want this heart. I think I want this heart.
That's so cute.
It's cute. You like it?
Mm-hmm.
Awesome. I'm so glad you like my heart. Just a little. And you can add beads on it, which is common the kids already. And then even come in the bows. And add one more. Come on, come down. And two more. That's it. And we'll be done. We'll keep for 60 seconds. And we are going to finish with the precision glue gel.